Press the bell icon to never miss a video from POPxo Daily.
Hi guys, if you think that scalp detox is a waste of time, then this video is for you because scalp care is the new hair care. In today's episode of POPxo Hair Academy, I'll share with you how you can deeply cleanse your scalp to promote healthy hair growth. So let's get started. Hair masks are designed to prevent hair damage. Applying hair mask once a week will make your hair soft and smooth. And to achieve that, I use Australian tea tree hair mask by Saint Botanica. It not only adds shine to my dull hair strands, but also promotes healthy hair growth. If you've been trying everything to achieve manageable hair, then it's high time you give activated charcoal hair shampoo a go. The activated charcoal clarifies and removes the buildup of any residue and unwanted oil in the scalp and hair strands. And to make my hair look lustrous and shiny, I use the activated charcoal hair conditioner by Saint Botanica. And what I love about this is that it's suitable for all hair types. Comb your hair regularly to keep the blood circulation going. Also, use a hair revival scalp serum religiously to get long, thicker and healthy hair. Nothing in this world can beat the kind of relaxation an oil head massage offers, isn't it? Well, besides calming your nerves and mind, oil treatment has umpteen benefits for your hair health. So, to achieve those benefits, do not forget to do an oil massage on your hair once a week. I hope you guys loved this video. Let me know in the comment section below how you detox your scalp. And for more such videos, like, share and subscribe to POPxo Daily.